Hello and a very warm welcome to the executive team at China Harbor Engineering Company. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me. In this explainer, we're going to walk through a highly tailored strategic proposal straight from PT Total Teknik Beton Indonesia. Look, we completely recognize your immense global reputation, and we know that executing a high-stakes project in a brand new capital city, well, it requires a lot more than just a standard supplier. It demands a truly dedicated local partner. As you know, the IKN Civil Servant Apartment Project is a massive cornerstone of Indonesia's new capital. A project of this sheer scale and national importance demands absolutely unprecedented reliability. And that's exactly where Total Beton comes in. We are perfectly positioned to be your high-capacity local strategic partner. We're already fully mobilized in East Kalimantan, and our active fleet is literally ready to roll, supporting your most demanding daily pouring requirements and keeping this massive project strictly on schedule. Okay, here's a quick look at our agenda for today. We'll be covering 6 key areas. First, our support for the IKN Check project. Second, our absolute commitment to quality and S&I standards. Third, our solutions for operational time efficiency. Fourth, your supply options. Fifth, the details on concrete grades and pricing. And finally, the steps for contract approval. Let's dive right into Section 1, IKN CHEC Project Support. Now, before you partner with any local firm, you need solid proof of their capability, right? Well, we have actually served as the vital logistical backbone for some of the biggest national strategic projects out there. We're talking about the IKN Toll Road at Pulau Belong and the incredibly complex refinery development master plan over in Balikpapan. By successfully delivering for these massive state-owned enterprise projects, we've proven to the highest state institutions that we can handle immense pressure, complex technical specs, and of course, unyielding deadlines. We are bringing that exact proven track record directly to CHEC. Moving right along to Section 2, Quality Commitment and S&I Standards. When we're talking about the IKN Civil Servant Apartments, top-tier structural integrity is absolutely non-negotiable. So how do we guarantee this? Through an incredibly strict 3-step quality control pipeline. Step 1 is strict material procurement standards for all our cement, aggregates, and additives. Step 2 means rigorous laboratory testing for every single cubic meter we produce, just to guarantee maximum strength and consistency. And Step 3 is absolute 100% compliance with S&I, the Indonesian national standard. You have our word that every single batch of Readymix concrete is going to meet your exacting engineering specifications. All right, Section 3, Operational Time Efficiency Solutions. We operate on a very simple core philosophy here. Time is money, and concrete is a material strictly bound by time. As an international contractor, your absolute biggest enemy on the job site is a delayed pour. So Total Beton goes way beyond just being a simple material supplier. We actually operate as an integrated part of your site operations. Backed by our modern fleet of mixer trucks and pumps, we actively prevent those costly delays, ensuring precise delivery even when dealing with the highly challenging developing topography of the IKN. Next up, Section 4, Supply Options, specifically dedicated versus regular. We offer 2 distinct supply routes to really build out your operational strategy. Option A is the dedicated batching plant contract. Think of this as an exclusive on-site production line built just for Czech. The benefits here are huge: 0 wait time, a completely dedicated mixer fleet, and a continuous high-volume guarantee that is absolutely perfect for massive foundation pours. Then we have Option B, the regular supply contract. This is a highly flexible pay-per-order system using routine purchase orders. It's incredibly well-suited for phased construction where your daily demand might fluctuate. And the best part, we can easily mix and match these strategies to fit the exact life cycle of your project. Let's get into the numbers. In Section 5, Concrete Grade and Price Details. Here is the transparent baseline pricing for our comprehensive range of Readymix products. We supply everything from K100, which is priced at 1,460,000 rupiahs per cubic meter, all the way up to our high-strength K500 grade at 2,080,000 rupiah. Now, this structure serves as the competitive baseline for Option B, giving you full access to our entire technical catalog. But should we decide to proceed with Option A, the dedicated plant, these base rates are completely open to further strategic negotiation based on your guaranteed volume commitments. Finally, Section 6, Next Contract Approval Steps. Just to ensure complete transparency for your procurement team, here is a quick look at the core commercial terms. First, all prices are subject to applicable VAT. Second, and this is a big one for your logistics budget, our prices actually already include delivery directly to the IKN site within our standard radiuses. Third, payment terms are completely open to mutual negotiation upon signing. And finally, if you do opt for the dedicated contract, we'll sit down and negotiate special volume discounts and customized plant mobilization fees separately, just to ensure absolute maximum cost efficiency for check. Which really just leaves us with one final, absolutely critical question. When can we arrange a formal meeting to tailor these solutions to your exact needs? We are fully ready to sit down with your engineering and procurement teams and finalize these mobilization terms right away. Because when you're building something as historic as Indonesia's new capital, you have to ask yourself, will your foundations be built on unpredictable delays or on your rock-solid, dedicated local partnership? Thank you so much for your time today, and we genuinely look forward to pouring the future with CHEC.